because they brought the fear of God into BJP. It worked against Congress, that's a different thing. But they said we are also against corruption.
No,
BJP thought, these are the only people we are talking about corruption, nobody else, and that is enough for us, allow us to vote.
No,
but AAP proved that with the broomstick and other things we want to clean. That brought, at least in Delhi, it really brought the fear of God into that.
we have started
for them also, AAP, all of them are activists, educated, corporate people.
And
now, how
before you
difficult
write
it
them
is
off,
to get into power, and second thing is how difficult to administer. That lesson they have brought, so it's not a waste of time, it's a learning process both for Aadhar Man and the AAP, and how difficult it is, not easy.
No, we
Also,
are
Matthew,
quickly on the Aadhar man now, since
we
you
are
said
we are
Aadhar
putting
man. No, I just want to
one
ask
just
you,
one
if
statement.
Nandan Nilekani had contested from BJP, he would have won. Nandan Nilekani, if he had contested from BJP on any
Why Nandan,
constituency,
even Narayan Singh Murthy also would have won.
absolutely.
So here, see,
Wave is
we
a
are
wave.
putting too many propositions and suppositions
Right,
for the.
quickly, let's take a look at the big news coming in. Infosys stocks crashed by
Yeah,
2.5%
this is why I was telling you, speculators
after
market.
Nandan Nilekani's
Completely
loss.
unrelated.
So that seems to have affected
No connection,
Infosys to a
No
great
connection.
extent.
Speculators market.
But Nandan Nilekani's loss affecting Infosys stock there. My colleague Arun Sundaram
Okay,
now
Arun,
joins us.
now you yourself are an expert on the stock markets. Now, how do you look at this connection? 2.5% in fee down because Nilekani loses. I mean, what is the connect?
Bansi, it's a kind of a sentimental connect is what many people are talking of, but clearly as far as IT stocks are concerned, they are on the losing side. In fact, the market is displaying extreme amount of volatility. Remember, in the morning trade, it was up over 1,000 points, but now it's down. In fact, its profit taking is being witnessed. It's right now up only about 255 points. But technology stocks have come crashing. The major draggers, as far as the Sensex is concerned, include ITC, the cigarette major, and technology stocks. In fact, if you look at Infosys and TCS, you see the percentage loss as far as TCS is concerned is lesser. TCS is down only 1%, whereas the Infi stock is down about 2.5%. There is no direct connect as such between the Infi stock crash and its former co-founder Nandan losing in the electoral battle, but clearly that's a sentimental rub-off, it appears at this point of time. There is a extreme amount of volatility as far as the markets are concerned. Markets now becoming extremely jittery about who will be the next finance minister and what kind of proposals will come forward in the budget. Remember, we only had the interim budget which was presented to the outgoing finance minister P. Chidambaram. Now all eyes on the new finance minister and what he has by way of proposals in the upcoming budget. Will BJP stick to its earlier stance of saying that income tax exemption level will be increased to 5 lakh rupees and so on and so forth? So clearly the sentiment is working right now against stocks. Many of those stocks that we were talking of as being favorite stocks are up, but they have given up much of their gains. There's a great deal of volatility as far as the markets are concerned, Bansi.
Okay, we have one of our panelists who wants to ask you a question. Yes, Mr. Muralidhar, former president of FKCCI.
My question is, I see that some of the technology stocks which have huge amounts of exports, their realization in this quarter is going to take a beating because rupee was trading in the morning at about 58.5, which is a straight appreciation about 6 to 7%. So I think the technology stocks profitability will suffer, and this is the reason why the technology stocks are down. What is your opinion, sir?